Hi, this is lesson number 50 from our Photoshop training series. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to create this beautiful lighting effect using layer mask and clipping mask. Basically, here we have simple text and background image. Here I have the same image we are going to use for this lesson. So let's get started. The first thing, we are going to add text. So here we have text tool. Click on text tool and type your desired text. I am just going to type light. Increase the font size. I am going to align both sides of the road. Hit enter. So basically here we have text and image. So the first thing, I am going to duplicate the image. Click and drag here on this plus. We have another copy. Bring it above the text and turn it off. The main image layer, we are going to make it dark. Let's add adjustment layer. Background is selected. Click on this button, create new fill or adjustment layer, and from here you can apply level or brightness, but I prefer hue saturation because we can desaturate the image layer bit also. So I will click on hue saturation, desaturate little bit and make it dark. That is okay. Go back to the layer palette and here is our text. Now we are going to duplicate the text. Same way, click and drag on this plus at the bottom. So here we have another copy. This copy we are going to use as a main text, and under this we have text that we will use for shadow. So select this layer, original text layer, go to edit, transform and flip vertical. We can stretch a little bit, hit enter. Once again, go to edit, transform, and here we have distort and perspective that is disabled. It is because our text is in default state. We need to rasterize this layer. This T is presenting that this layer is default text. So right click and click on rasterize type, and now you can see there is thumb. So it is a pixel based rasterized layer that will allow us to add the perspective. Layer is selected, go to edit, transform and click on perspective. Bring it down and from the bottom corner just align it with the road. Hit enter. Now in this layer we are going to add layer mask to add smoothness from the bottom. So the layer is selected, click add layer mask and make sure that your foreground and background color is white and black the way I have. Click on gradient tool, click and drag, press shift key to make it straight. So from the bottom we have softness. Using blend if feature also we can achieve the result, but I will prefer to change just the blend mode. The layer is selected, click here and use soft light. The effect is really weak. To make it strong we can just duplicate. Now with this duplicate we can control the brightness using opacity. The next step is to clip the image inside text. So here we have background copy. This is a bright image. Once we will turn on this layer, it will cover the entire canvas since it is a copy. Now we are going to clip this image inside text. So simply press Alt key and click in between both layers. Now this image layer is viewable only in our text. So this is how we get this beautiful lighting effect on the text using layer mask and clipping mask. To achieve the similar result, try to use similar font the way I have. The font I use is League Gothic. You can use this font or any similar font to get the same result. If I will open the layer palette, Here is our text. In addition to this, if we want, we can add also stroke. If I will right click and go to the blending option, and here we have stroke. Stroke is the outline of the text. So if I will double click, you can see the stroke, small amount, maybe 2. Click OK. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.